Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring. Pour 2 Oz Tequila Blanco, 1 Oz Cointreau, and 0.75 Oz fresh lime juice into your shaker. Once done, add 6-8 ice cubes. You want rapid chilling without excessive dilution. Make sure the rim is wet with a lime wedge and dip into coarse salt for texture contrast. While you shake, keep the components cold. Cold keeps citrus bright and the sweetness balanced. Shake vigorously for 10-12 seconds to integrate and chill quickly. You now shake hard. 10 to 12 seconds will dilute and aerate the mix for a silky mouthfeel. Once you stop, open the shaker and double strain into your prepared glass to catch ice shards and pulp. This keeps the sip clean. Taste once. If it's too tart, stir in 0.25 Oz agave syrup, and if too sweet, add 0.25 Oz more lime. Make sure to rechill the glass briefly if it warmed during pouring, so the margarita stays crisp to the last sip. You finish by choosing presentation. Pour over fresh ice for a casual drink or serve neat in a chilled coupe for brightness. Add a lime wheel or expressed zest for aroma. For a frozen summer version, blend about 1 cup ice per drink until smooth and serve immediately to preserve texture. If the drink tastes weak or cloudy, make sure your lime is fresh, your tequila is cold, and you shook longer. Those 3 fixes clear flavor and temperature problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.